Welcome back to Danny's Maths Hub, and once again we are in my local supermarket, and today we are going to be looking at best buys. So when there are offers on, which offer is the best one to get, or when we've got the same product but they're selling different sizes or different amounts, which one gives us the best value for money. But before we begin that, as always, hit that subscribe button if you are learning or enjoying any of these videos. So let's get straight on with it then. Let's say I want to buy myself some Coke. And there's two offers on. There's a pack of 24 cans for £10, or there's a pack of 6 cans for £2.40. How would I know which one is best to buy? Which one gives me the most value for money? Now I'm going to say the same thing pretty much for all these examples. You want to find out the cost of one item. So for instance, what's the cost of one can in the 24 cans case? And what's the cost of one can in the pack of 6 cans case? So how do we work that out? Well, if we just look at the pack of 24 cans, and I know it's costing me £10, so I need to share that £10 equally between all 24 cans, and that will tell me the price of one can. So that means I have to take my £10 and divide it between 24 cans to get my price of one can. So my price of one can in the 24 cans case is 42 pence. Do you see what I did? I simply took the price and divided it by how many items there were. There was 24 items, so I divided 10 by that. So I know that one can is 42 pence in that case. If I bought the case of 6, well then I'd do the same again. To work out the price of one can, I'd take the price I'm paying for all of the cans, divide it by the number of cans, to work out that they work out at just 40p a can. So I'd be better to buy the pack of 6 because each individual can cost me less. So the best buy here would be the pack of 6. Let's have a look at another item then. Let's say this time I was buying washing powder, and they come in 2 bags. The 6 kilogram bag of washing powder is £30, and the 3 kilogram of washing powder is £17.50. Some of you may already be looking at this and know the answer straight away because of the relationship between 3 kilograms and 6 kilograms. However, I'm still going to break it down and show you how we would work out if we wasn't dealing with such easy numbers. So let's start off with the 6 kilogram of washing powder. I want to work out how much 1 kilogram is, okay? Because I know that they both have 1 in them, so it'd be a nice easy number to deal with. So 1 kilogram, £30 is for 6 kilograms. So once again, I take my price and I divide it by how many units I've got. I've got 6 lots of 1 kilogram, haven't I? So £30 divided by 6 will tell me the price of 1 kilogram, which means £5. That means 1 kilogram is £5. Then let's look at 3 kilograms. Let's work out the price of 1 kilogram. Well, once again, we take the price, divide it by how many kilograms we got, and it tells you it's £5.80. So in this case, the better buy would be buying 6 kilograms of washing powder because it's cheaper per kilogram. And one last one. This time, I found 3 pots of Nutella in the supermarket. I've never seen a pot as big as that one that I found in here, and they've also got the 2 standard sizes. And they are 200 kilograms of Nutella for £1.70, 750 grams of Nutella for £4.50, and 3 kilograms of Nutella for £14.99. Which one am I better off buying? Well, again, I'm going to start off with the smallest one, 200 grams of Nutella, and this time I'm going to work out what 10 grams cost. I could work out what 1 gram cost, but then I'm going to be dealing with really, really small numbers. So I'm going to make a judgment and say I'm only going to look at what 10 grams cost because I'm going to get easier numbers to deal with at the end. So I'm going to take my £1.70 and this time divide it by 20 because they're obviously 20 times 10 is 200, which will give me the price of 10 grams. So £1.70 divided by 20 tells me that 10 grams of Nutella in this case cost me £0.085. Then I'll do the same for 750 grams of Nutella. Again, so to work out the price of 10 kilograms, obviously 75 times 10 gives me my 750. So I'm going to have to divide by 75, my original price, which gives me £0.06 per 10 grams. So I now know that 75 grams of Nutella is definitely better value than 200 grams, so I can get rid of that. Let's work out the price of 3 kilograms of Nutella. Now the problem here is I'm working with grams and kilograms. So what I need to do, I need to convert my kilograms into grams, so I'm always working in the same measurements. But to go from kilograms to grams, we multiply by 1,000. So there's 3,000 grams of Nutella here. And then I do the same method. I take my price, divide it by how many lots of 10 grams I've got, which is 300. So the price of 10 grams would be £14.99 divided by 300, which tells me that's £0.05 for every 10 grams of Nutella, which means the 3 kilograms of Nutella is the better value. And that's it, ladies and gents. Make sure you're working with the same units. Simply divide your price by how many units you have, and whichever one comes out the smallest, that means that's the cheapest, and that's your best buy. I do hope you've enjoyed this lesson. Again, another short one, but I hope you can see the method doesn't change regardless of what you're working with. There's a worksheet attached as always. Enjoy, hit the subscribe button, and have a great day.